Hi everyone, you're welcome back. Today we are making something super tasty, groundnut soup and dry oyster mushroom. It's gonna be yummy, so stick around. First thing first, let's talk about our star ingredient, groundnut paste. We are using pomo tomatoes mix. We are also using fresh tomatoes with some okra. We also have red pepper, onions, green pepper, and garlic with some ginger. Meat, so I used fish and then some bone meat. yeah. So you can choose the meat you want. You want fish, you want cow meat, that's beef. You any type of meat you want to use, feel free to add. And then our star ingredient for today, dry oyster mushrooms. Yes. Now let's learn some tips in cooking with dry oyster mushroom. So before you rehydrate the mushrooms, gently brush off any dirt or debris with a soft brush or a paper towel. Yeah. Then trim off any tough or wooden parts of the mushroom. And then rehydrate it by placing it in a bowl and then add warm water. Let them soak for about 10 minutes and until they become plumped and tender. You can speed up the process by using hot water, but avoid boiling them as it can affect their texture and the nutrient. And don't forget your salt. At this point, we started by chopping our ingredients and then blended it. So the garlic, the red pepper, the ginger, and then some natural spices. We blended it to paste and then we use it to steam our meat. So we allow the meat to simmer for some 10 to 20 minutes. And then we added some salt, cover and allow it to steam for some few minutes. We then prepare our dry mushroom, which we have allowed it to rehydrate. Yes, so we soaked it in water and then we add it to the meat that is being steamer in the pots. So we add it and then we allow it to steamer for about 5 minutes. And then we set it aside and prepare our groundnut paste. In a different pot, we added our groundnut paste with some hot water and we allow it to boil while stirring it. We stir it some few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. And then we added our tomato paste, that is the pomo tomato paste. And then we stir it and then added the remaining of the blend vegetables that we added to steam the meat. Yes, and then we stir it, and then we stir it. Yeah, and there was some oil on top of the groundnut paste. Yes, so it was down ready. We added more water, not too much to make it so liquid here. So we added warm water to the paste and then we stir and we allow it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, so whilst we're allowing it to cook, we added our fresh tomatoes with some green pepper, which we don't have any intention of blending and adding. Yes, so we just wanted to be in the soup, but later if the soup doesn't have enough pepper, then we have to blend it and we allow it to boil. Yes, we cooked it for about 30 minutes and then we added the meat. So with any choice of meat you can use, we added the cow meat first because we wanted it to boil and cook well. So the mushrooms and the fish was added later when the soup was almost ready. So we added all the bone meat into the soup and allow it to cool. When everything is set, we added our okra because we are going to use it to eat face the wall kunkunti. Yes, so we needed some okra, but if you are going to use it for rice, there will be no need for okra. So okra is optional. We added our okra, allow it to boil for 15 minutes until the okra becomes soft and crunchy. Yes, and then we added our fish and then our mushroom sauce into the soup. So that's the last thing we added. And remember to always add salt to taste. Yes. Our groundnut soup is ready. Next is our kunkunti. Yes, face the wall. So we got the flour, that is cassava flour. Put some hot water on fire, allow it to boil, and then we added the flour to the hot water, and then we stir, which requires skills and muscles. Yes, you have to stir it well before it turns into something else. Yes. At this point, folks, our groundnut soup with dry oyster mushroom is ready to be consumed. So do you need the direction to my house? Or you are going to use the recipe and try at home? Just look at that creamy texture and vibrant colors. Why add mushrooms to your various dish? Mushroom is rich in protein. They are good sources of plant-based protein, making them vulnerable addition to vegetarians and vegans diets. Dry mushrooms retain their protein content even after dehydration. They are also low in calories. They have high fiber, vitamins and minerals, antioxidants. They also support the immune system. They also contain low cholesterol and blood sugar. So they help to manage your cholesterol level and your blood sugar level. Overall, incorporating dry mushrooms into your diet can contribute to a well-rounded and nutritious eating plan, providing essential nutrients and health benefits. Thank you so much for joining us on this cooking journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss out on our mouth-watering recipes using mushroom. Until next time, happy cooking. Love you all.